Want to keep your lawn looking sharp?
Welcome to the complete guide to small engine maintenance.
Let's take a look at best maintenance practices. Before starting any engine repair, wear protective gear like safety glasses and gloves. Disconnect the power source and make sure that you use proper tools. Some essential tools include a spark plug socket, fresh oil, air filter, new spark plug, fuel stabilizer, rags, and a screwdriver. Next, let's talk about doing an oil change on your lawnmower. If it's appropriate for your lawnmower, change the oil every season or every 50 hours. Warm the engine slightly, shut it off, drain the old oil, use a pan to catch the oil, replace the drain plug and add fresh SEA 30 or 10W30 oil to the proper level. Regular oil changes prevent most engine wear. Next, let's take a look at the air intake system.
Let's start by removing the air filter. Look at how dirty this is compared to a new one. A bit of soap and water is all it takes. Make sure it's completely dry before reinstalling.
Let's take a look at the spark plug. Pull the wire, remove the old plug. Clean or replace it, gap to spec. This fixes most no-start issues. Consider adding stabilizer to your fuel. Most of the time, if your engine won't run, it's because you're using old gas. Especially during long-term storage, you'll want to drain the gas or treat it. Let's take a look at mower-specific blade care.
First, we need to safely remove the mower blade. Sharpen the edge on a bench grinder, maintaining the angle. Balance it on a nail to prevent mower vibration.
A dull blade tears grass and stresses the engine. A sharp blade keeps the grass looking great. Here are some quick troubleshooting tips. If your mower won't start, check the fuel, the spark plug, the air filter, or the oil level. If it runs rough, it might be a dirty carburetor, bad spark plug, or a clogged air filter. If it smokes, maybe you've overfilled the oil or have bad fuel. And if it loses power, it's probably a dirty air filter or the cooling fins are dirty.
There we go, running like a charm.
We've got links to tools and parts in the description. Thanks for watching. Now go maintain those machines.